Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we are going to be painting the rear bumper on the Skyline. Stay tuned guys. Supra! Look at that Supra. Yellow Supra. Alrighty guys, just dropped off the little man. I'm going to head down to Autobarn and get some paint made up for the rear bumper. So, I've been thinking maybe I should just go back to pick apart and get the rear bumper and the exhaust. It's going to be a lot cheaper than painting. I don't think the paint that actually chipped on the rear bumper, so I might be able to pop it out. So now I drive. Should I do it? Well, it's going to be like, I need 3 cans, so it's 105, and then about 150 bucks to paint the rear bumper. About 25 or 30 bucks to actually get the rear bumper. And I think the exhaust is pretty cheap as well, so I don't know. Stop here, I need some petrol and I'll grab a coffee, and I've got some tools here but I don't think I've got the right tools to get the rear bumper off, so I'll just go grab my whole toolbox. Come on dude. Alrighty guys, it's pretty sunny today. I'm just coming back from paying for the petrol. I had the light on the rear bumper and I don't like the look of it, so it needs a bit of work still. So might just go grab this other one, chuck it on, and then I can work on this rear bumper, make it sweet, maybe even modify it a bit, diffuser, whatnot, and work on a rear muffler setup too. So I'm going to put Marley's seat at home, so we'll take that out so we can drop the back seats down. So we most likely need to. Stay tuned guys.
A few moments later.
Right guys, sorry about that. Just it's Tuesday, so the auctions are on. So I was just sitting down waiting for one of the cars I was looking at to go past and see how much it went for. I'm not using my maps today, so let's see if I remember how to get there. I'm gonna be stuck behind this van. Oh, yes!
1 eternity later.
Alrighty guys, back over at Camberfield, pick apart. Looking at the switch for sport shift, rear bumper and exhaust. Like always, I don't take the GoPro in, but yeah. Alrighty guys, we're inside. So I'm going to be pulling this apart, getting the switch out. Not very good at pointing the phone. Rear bumper. Heat gun onto that, get that off. Yeah. It's just popped out. It's not too bad. And take a look at the exhaust. Yeah, looks stock. Cool. Alrighty, getting the exhaust off at the moment. Alrighty guys, got the bumper. Yeah, it's got a blue stripe. And muffler as well. And I got the switch for here too. Let's head home and get this bumper on. We'll get the stripes off, try to pop the dent out, and there we go. Guess it's going to go up for sale. Nice Civic as well. Bloody R32. Alright guys, we are back. We're back. This needs charging. Alright guys, we're back. Get the bumper out, chuck it up onto the horses here. I'm going to try to get that dent out with some hot water. But first I'll have something to eat. Boil the kettle and I'll do that. Alrighty, sorry about the lighting and shadows. Got the kettle. Popped it out of here. Better than it was. Alright, I was actually pouring it here and it actually made it spider cracks come up more. But yeah, I pushed it out. As you can see, that's where I pushed it. Right. This section's all good. Right, let's get it on the car. I'll wash it and get it on the car. Either this one did a really bad job or this has been resprayed. Look at that. Look at that run. there to get stuffed up the number plates around. Alright, we got it out. Broke one of these red clips though. Yeah, they're both broken. We've got 3 clips to put on underneath. Headlights to go in. And obviously the 2. Yeah. You right there, Az? You right? The 2 on the inside. Alright guys, bumper is completely on now. Just need to put the tail lights back in and get this strap off. Guys, it's all on. You can see how much this has actually been pushed in now. So, not too bad. Then we've got this bit that was pushed in. The spider cracking here. Still need to get rid of that. Yeah, a little bit here. Yeah, a little bit of road grime down there. A lot better than before. Even a lot better than that bumper before I paint it in primer. And like I said at the start, you can see this is all lumpy here. The body filler, and the body filler is starting to lift. If you can see that. So guys, that is me done for this episode. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next episode. Bye.